welcome to my Doodly tutorial. I am Vinod from India and I am going to be your instructor for this course. So this course will be completely about Doodly and what are all the things that you can do with the software. So the most important thing is we are going to just do ourselves a project which is going to be creating a YouTube video using only just the Doodle software. So we'll be just using the software in order to just move the assets, move the things, then use the assets from a different website and integrating everything into Doodly, and by creating a very nice and a simple YouTube animation. If you are watching something that's happening in my computer, this is the thing that what you're going to make using Doodly software. This course is really going to be very easy to make, and I promise you that by completing this course you will be able to make your best YouTube videos using Doodly. So thanks for watching this and look forward to see you inside this course, guys.